Hi, this is Lisa Fryer, and I am here to help you to navigate Unit 1 in I Am Special Science. Unit 1, Lesson 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the arrow over here and click on the arrow. And again. And then notice up here it says Module 1, Look and Compare. And here we go to open the Embark. So let's click on that, and it should come up with the little caterpillar chewing on the leaf. And it will open for us. And look at this. So we're on Unit 1, I'm Special. So we're going to click on the star. That is Unit 1. And then all of the different courses will come up. If we would like to see the titles instead of guessing what the different subjects are, we can click on Show Titles and then find Science. And here it is, the leaf on the green background. So let's click on that. And look at this, Module 1, Look and Compare. Notice it says the name of the unit here as well as the course, which is Science. So Look and Compare. This little arrow here means that it is an online activity, excuse me. And if it does not have a little bubble with an arrow in it, that means that it is an offline activity. So you can do that offline. Just look, and if I click on it, it has a guide online, which is just like your physical guide, but it's online. So you can click on that if you need some help with that guide. And then over here, See Me, which has a little arrow, which means that it is, excuse me,
come with us, play
online.
a game. Find
so we're going to play a
body
game.
Parts we name.
And then your
boy's
TK
head.
student will
Move your head.
find,
Jill can
we'll
move her
move
head
their
too.
head.
Click Jill to see her move.
And then we'll click on Jill to see her move. And then we'll click
Here
the
are
arrow.
the girl's shoulders. Move your shoulders.
And then we'll move our shoulders.
Jack can
I'm
move
moving
his
my shoulders right now.
too. Click
Here's
Jack
Jack.
to see him move.
Here he is. And here we go. Look at that. He's moving his shoulders. And now we can click on
Here are the boy's
the arrow.
arms. Move your arms. Jill
I'm
can
moving
move
my
her
arms.
arms too. Click Jill to see her move.
Oh, look, she's moving her arms. And now we can
Here are the girl's legs.
click on the
Move
arrow.
your legs. Jack can move his legs too. Click Jack to see him move.
Notice it has everything you need. It has a big arrow up here, so it's very visual.
Here is the boy's finger.
And look,
Move your fingers.
I want to stick up my
Jill
finger
can
and
move
move
her
it.
finger too.
And
Click
then
Jill to see her move.
I'm going to click her to see her move. Look at that, she's moving her finger.
Here are the girl's hands. Move your hands.
Great. And then we move our
Jack
hands.
can move his hands too. Click Jack to see him move.
And see how it has an arrow up here, but then when I go down here, it has a little finger on a hand. So you just click like that, and then he waves his hands. Okay.
Here is the girl's foot. Move your foot.
Now I can move my
Jill
foot.
can move her foot too. Click Jill to see her move.
Oh, look at that. She's moving her foot.
You found many body parts. Let's hear them again. Shoulders, arms, fingers, foot, legs, head, hands.
All right. And then you can do show me as well, which is showing different things. And then what you do is you come, let's see. You go back. And then we take the assessment for Unit 1, Lesson 1 in Science. It's called Look and Compare. So we begin the assessment. Notice there are only 3 questions. Estimated time is 5 minutes. I would say it probably will take you less than that. And then it has a little directions for the learning coach. And after a student has completed the lesson, then choose the answer that best describes his or her progress. Okay? So can the student describe physical traits observed in self and others, such as hair color and eye color? If you say, what color hair does your sister have? Oh, she has blonde hair, or she has brown hair, or she has black hair. That is describing her physical traits. So then I'm going to say that my student demonstrated proficiency, which means that she got pretty much, I asked her a bunch of questions and she got them all correct. Given pictures, can the student match a visual image with a verbal description of physical characteristics? If I have a picture that I got from a magazine of a woman with dark hair, would she match that when I say who has dark hair? Would she match those? I'm going to say she could, and she does so well. So she demonstrates proficiency. And here is the last question. After your student has completed the lesson, is the student able to participate in a game that refers to body parts? Well, she's really good at playing that game. That head and shoulders, that can be a fun one. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And that's a fun game to play. And it's actually kind of a song, but you can just kind of improvise. So, and we're going to submit this. And she got 100%. That's great. And then we can review the assessment or retake the assessment or continue with the lesson. I'm going to continue with the lesson. And then I'm going to add attendance. And usually it'll ask you for, go to attendance. Okay, and you want to put that your student maybe spent 45 minutes on that one, or whatever he or she did. And of course you want to do all the rest of it as you go through. Either that or you can do it at the end of the day. So that's just my suggestion. So, and the lesson is complete. So isn't that nice? Okay, and that is all, my friends. I hope you have a fun day.